If you don't manage your cholesterol levels, it may result in chronic health conditions. This is why nutritionists often recommended the regular intake of fruits and vegetables, because most of them possess cholesterol-lowering effects. One of the fruits that can help to manage your cholesterol levels is apples. Studies have shown that regularly consuming apples can help to lower total cholesterol levels, as well as LDL or bad cholesterol levels. Apples also contain antioxidants and other compounds that may help to reduce inflammation and promote heart health. Apples are said to help lower high cholesterol because of their rich fiber content. The presence of fiber in the body helps to promote digestion by forming a gel-like substance in the intestines. This helps to prevent the reabsorption of cholesterol into the body, hence leading to its reduction. A 2019 research has shown that people who ate 2 apples per day over a period of 8 weeks experienced significant cholesterol reduction. The best way to use apples to reduce cholesterol is by eating them raw. By doing so, you tend to manage your cholesterol levels. Eating apples regularly, such as 1 or 2 per day, may help lower cholesterol levels over time. Try different ways to eat apples. Apples can be eaten raw as a snack or added to salads, smoothies, or oatmeal. They can also be baked, sautéed, or grilled for a tasty and healthy dessert option. Apples possess numerous health benefits, hence everyone is advised to consume them on a regular basis for good health.